Hey Foxy friends, it's Feathered Fox here, and today I am going to be doing the second part of our little mini series. This is making the cake for my sister. This will be, I'll show you how to make this cake and then how to dye it the different colors, and then we'll bake it and then you'll see it when it's done. So what you'll need is, I just bought these Betty Crocker super moist vanilla cake. Vanilla cake. I just got 2 of these, and what you need is it's the 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. But I've doubled it because I'm making 2 boxes, so I have 2 cups of water, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 6 eggs. And the vegetable oil I use is just the Crisco pure vegetable oil. So I have my 2 cups of water, my 1 cup of oil, and my 6 eggs. And my mixing bowl, and I'm just going to use the whisk on this one. So basically all you need to do is just follow the directions on the cake. This is the easy part because I'm not doing anything fancy, and we're just going to throw it all in our bowl and we're going to mix it for 2 minutes. So let me see if I can pull you over here. So I'm going to go ahead and open my boxes here. I'm just doing a boxed mix just to make it easier because my sister's party is in a few days and I've been super busy, so I'm kind of just trying to do as fast as possible here, and she has no problem with the box mixes, so that's what we're gonna do. 1 in. And you want to set, depending on your pans, if you're using a shiny pan, you want to set your oven at 350. If it's a dark nonstick pan, it'd be 325. It also says that on the box. You can also do this as cupcakes, but since we're doing the alien cake, it has to be an actual cake pan. So I'm actually using a big pan. This is a 11 by 15 by 2. That's what I'm using, so it's easier for me to cut out the shape that I need. Alrighty, so we got our cake mixes in. Okay, so we have the mix in, and now we just go ahead and add your water and oil and your eggs. Oil. Our 6 eggs. Bloop, 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 bloop. And your water. And again, I'm using the whisk attachment. I'm going to mix this on like medium for 2 minutes. This is about done mixing, and then what we're going to do is we're going to separate it into 5 different bowls because we're going to be using our gel colors and making the batter different colors. Oh, and there's our time. Okay, so I have it separated. I left some in here, and I have about a little over a cup in each one of these bowls. So we're going to go ahead and put some colors in. I'm probably going to go more on the pink and blues because those are my sister's favorite colors. I'm going to do a little bit more with the pinks and blue, if I can get the thing open. Alrighty, here we go. Ooh, I'm just going to squeeze a whole bunch in there. I don't even measure this. We're going to have fun with it. We're just going to see what happens. Okay. So let me grab my other attachment for that, and we'll stick that in there, and let's see what we can come up with. Ooh. Oh guys, the camera does not, whoa, does not do it justice. It's neon pink. That looks more bubblegum pink in the camera. That looks pretty cool. Then I'm going to go ahead and stick some green in one. Whoop. Some blue. This one I didn't have the gel. This is the liquid blue. Neon blue. And purple. If I can get it open. We're just gonna kind of squeeze whatever we can. I like my colors to be bright and crazy, so that's why I'm putting a ton in. And you guys want to make sure you grease your pan if you're using a pan, sides and bottom. You can just I've used just butter or shortening, and then you put some flour and kind of tap it around and do stuff. Or you can use Pam, cooking spray or flour spray, and do whatever you can do to things. So here we go. I'm going to mix the colors and then I'll come back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here are our colors. We've got lime green, the blue, orange, and purple, and our pink. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to take the different colors and put them in splots. So let me clean up my little counter here and then I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to use some measuring cups to scoop out different colors, and we're going to splat them everywhere here. These bowls probably weren't the best because they've got grooves in them that are holding this stuff. Okay, I think I got about all of it. Leftover pink, got a little bit of pink left. Okay. Now that I've made an absolute mess, that is what our masterpiece looks like. So we're gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna start it at about 20 minutes and check on it because I'm not sure with this size of pan how long it should go. So I'm gonna put it in for about 20 minutes and I'll come back and let you know when it's ready. Okay guys, so I just took the cake out of the oven, so it's piping hot right now. I just stuck it on a wire rack. And I'm going to let it cool for a while before I go ahead and flip it out of the pan. So we're not really going to get to see the colors too great. I don't know why it won't. It's not very good. It's not showing the colors like brighter. It's more dull, but we'll see it in a minute. So I'm just going to, like I said, I'm going to let it cool probably about an hour because this is a big cake. And then after that, I'll flip it out and I'll come back and I'll let you guys see it. All right. Okay guys, so I have my template and I just went around and cut it around. So what you have to do is, since I'm going to be doing a buttercream transfer, when the buttercream is done on this, it's actually going to be flipped. So I had to make sure I flipped this one so that way it's going to be the proper direction for the face. So I'm going to go ahead and try my best to try to remove this without breaking. So when I get this moved onto the pan, I will come back and let you see it. So that's the colors. It's still kind of hard to tell, but that's the colors inside. It's got the tie-dye going on. So we got it cut, and that's what the inside of the cake looks like. I think it turned out pretty good. It tastes pretty good. So this is the second video. The third video I'll be frosting the cake and doing that stuff. So hopefully you guys are still hanging on and liking this and seeing, hopefully you'll want to see what the finished product is. But so far, that's what we got. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Love you guys. Bye.